Hey guys, welcome back to another Williams family vlog video. Today we will be going and setting up Matt's booth at the boat show. Today there will be an event where anybody who has anything to do with the water will be there. People selling boats, people selling boat docks, people selling jet skis, people selling jet ski lifts, just anything that has to do with the lake and boats. So today we will be going and helping Matt set up for his, and you will be coming with us.
Stay tuned.
Rennie, say stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Starbucks.
Alright guys, we just left Starbucks. We're gonna run over to Bojangles, grab some breakfast. What'd you get?
I got a triple blonde espresso with
Yum.
white mocha.
Mine is just an iced coffee, add white mocha, and half inch of cream.
Okay guys, we just left Bojangles. We're gonna stop by Walmart because we need to get a couple things for the booth. So, and when I get back, I'll show you what we got. Okay, so his booth, he made it to look like a dock, and he wanted to get a blue blanket or something to put under it to make it look like water. So I got this fluffy blue blanket. Got this cute little fake plant that is already broken. These two, I can't think of what they're called.
Anchors?
Anchors. And I got these shells to put in the vase that is in the next bag, so I'll show you in a second. I hope the wind's not too heavy. Here's the vase that those shells will go in. I got these two leaf fans to lay on the table. Is it reading? I got this little chalkboard to write his company name on. This to put his business cards on. And this is the tablecloth for this nasty table. All this was $100.
What number is it? 21?
21.
So I guess park behind that golf cart there. You find the roof and everything?
Yep.
Okay, good. We're good. Okay.
I don't know.
Well, so this is before we get everything set up. We have all of our stuff brought in here. We're gonna start getting the table set up. It's a pretty nice event to be having here. There's a lot of boats, other small business owners. So yeah, we're gonna get this all set up and then we'll come right back.
Let's go look at boats. Come this way. You want to look at Dada's boat? Daddy don't have a boat.
This is the job.
Come on, Slowpoke. Lee's Ford Resort Marina. Looks like they got some houseboats. Those look cool right there.
These people did a good job on this setup.
Yeah, it looks like they rented like 3 booths. You see the boats? You want to get on the boat? I don't know if we can. I'd like a pontoon boat. Matt wants a speedboat. But I think right now, at the point in life where we are, we just need something for leisure.
Oh, watch out.
Sorry.
Oh, you're okay.
And also, y'all have a lot
Look,
of
Winnie.
No.
No.
squirrels. And y'all have like a big family, you know.
Y'all think it was easier going through the hotel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Seats in the back, seats up here, 2 bucket seats there.
This is what we need right now. And when the kids get older, then we can get a speedboat.
Yeah.
Look at the lights under the seat.
Right. Right.
It even has a camera on the dash.
Wow, that's nice.
Speed on there and stuff.
And a place to hold your board. Some of these people, this ain't their first rodeo.
Well, they looks like they've got a lot of work to do if they're gonna get done by 2 o'clock.
Can I look at boat?
These people?
Go up. Look at boat. Sorry, look at boat. Look at boat. Sorry, look at boat.
I should get this pontoon boat.
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at their little setup. It looks like a house in here. Eat, lake, sleep, repeat.
Wow. Wow, count.
Wow, a couch. Wow. I kind of want to step up there. I mean, that's what the stairs are for, right?
I guess.
Here, keep her down here.
Here, Rinley.
That was nice. They selling cars in here too?
Mini up at this. Look, mini up at this.
Oh, look, Rennie. They got a whole pool in here.
Oh, that was with the squirrels that ride on the thing. They can ski.
Oh.
How do they teach a squirrel to ski?
Twiggy the Water-skiing Squirrel. That's cool.
Cars.
This is what Matt should buy for the ocean. That's
sure.
one of those nice center consoles.
Cars. Move cars.
Move cars.
Or no, that one. Should get
Move
that one.
car.
This would be perfect for the ocean. We could get out in the deep waters in that one.
That's mini.
He might. I was trying to talk him out of it because that's a big spend right now when we're about to try to buy the house. But it would be pretty handy for when we go to the beach.
Watch out. Yes, that's true. We should get this big one. It's huge. You could go in some deep waters in this one.
Yeah.
Well, I guess Matt and Tyler can figure out the electricity. Everything's pretty much set up, isn't it?
I kind of like this black pontoon.
I do too. This is what Matt needs to buy. The girls can walk right out here and jump off the end in the water. There's plenty of room for everybody, 2 bucket seats.
Yeah, with the other bar too.
We got a lounger back there.
That's nice. Alright.
It's really nice.
Okay guys, we are going to go sit in the car and wait on Matt to get here. They'll be probably rolling up in about 15 minutes. We're going to go sit in the car and I'm going to figure out what to write on this blackboard. So, guys, this was my inspo. Life is better at the lake. And this is what I did. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. And I didn't have to redo anything, so we got a little fishy and some birdies and an oar and the water. Here, hold her. I'm sure they're gonna need help. No.
Hi, Dada. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Bunch more stuff here.
Okay. Watch out, Rennie. Oh my gosh. That
You
is.
wanna go outside with Dad? gonna stay right here. I gotta go outside and help Tyler.
Okay, we had to run to the store and grab a few more items to finish getting our setup. We'll maybe stop here on the way out, get some lunch. Some random dude waving. Pretty nice of him. Alright, Tyler, we got some things here. Yeah. We got paintbrush. Some of this.
I'm locking these doors. I remember saying I'm locked. Those things are
Got some black paint. Tyler, here's zip ties. They only had white, sorry.
You got enough to wrap around the corner a bit?
Yeah. Alright guys, that is the end of today's vlog. We couldn't stick around. It starts at 2, but I have to pick up the kiddos from school, so I wish we could have stayed, but unfortunately we're on a time schedule. But we did get to walk around and see what everybody had to offer. Rennie got to ride in a tram. She didn't like it too much, but I thought it was pretty cool. But we will see you guys next time. Bye.